Another street photography session is in the books, and just like last time, I wanted to take you on the tour with me. I chose the Fuji XT-3 as usual, together with the Sigma 24mm. I shot most of my pictures in an aperture of 1.8, and the film simulation was Astia Soft. This spot stood out because of the graffiti. I'm waiting at the spot for someone to pass by. In street photography terms, I was fishing. Now let me give you some info on why I chose Ghent and why we went out during the worst weather of the week. As probably some of you know, we have a dog. He's been living with us for the last 3 years. His name is Bob and he hasn't been doing well. His legs were kind of limping, and then the last days his legs just stopped working and he couldn't pee anymore. So that was really alarming. We contacted the vet clinic, which is located in Ghent, and they said we had to bring him over immediately for surgery. Now there was a chance that the surgery might fail, so his life was in their hands. To take my mind off him, street photography was probably one of the best options, instead of going home and sit around at the desk. Here's a fun fact. This is an alley that contains prostitutes displayed behind the windows. I can get why some people hold back on street photography. There's an initial fear of people being aggressive because you take their picture. As of now, I didn't have any issues yet. Some people just ask why you take the pictures, but that's it. Checking for reflections is one of my favorite things to do. Wait for people to pass by and you have a nice composition. We found this alley called Woutersteeg. If I did not hold my camera, I never would have noticed the small space. I like the white leading lines on the building. It feels like they are giving a direction to the subject in the picture. This shop was showing how they were making pastries and waffles. Saliva was flowing not only for me, but for this guy as well. Time to eat. We chose Yalla Yalla for lunch. This is a place that serves Lebanese food. We were in luck because the weather started to change. No more rain. One of the perks of shooting in the rain are the many puddles. They give you the chance to take a different perspective for buildings or people.
Yeah, I do street photography for my YouTube channel. So I film a day when I take photos, and then I post the pictures on the same video. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This woman noticed me taking her picture. I just turned around and acted like I was shooting something else. No harm done. I got a phone call of the clinic saying that they started surgery on Bob. Now this was good news because otherwise they had to put him down. To celebrate, here's a picture of a dog with a yellow coat on.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy my work, please follow me on Instagram. I'll link the handle right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye bye.